Are you ready to explore side hustles that can provide both flexibility and extra income? Building a Discord community allows you to create a space for like-minded individuals, fostering engagement and connection while generating revenue through membership fees or donations. Side hustle number 1, the power of Discord for students. First up, let's talk about Discord. You have probably heard of it. It's not just for gaming anymore. Students are using Discord to build their communities around shared passions, interests, and even academic goals. But here's the kicker. You can turn your own community into a money-making machine. Want to turn your Discord into more than just a hangout? Whether it's a study group, hobby community, or career hub, you can monetize it with premium memberships. Think private channels, exclusive content, or even one-on-one support. Start small, focus on giving real value, and as your community grows, so does your income. The secret? Find your niche, build trust, and keep delivering what people can't get anywhere else. Have you ever thought about using Discord to build your own money-making community? Imagine turning your passions, whether it's gaming, studying, fitness, or even career tips into a premium space with private channels, exclusive content, and one-on-one access. Now I want to know, if you could start a Discord community today, what niche would you pick? Drop your ideas below in comment section. Side hustle number 2, online coaching as a side hustle. Now, let's talk about online coaching. If you have skills, knowledge, or expertise in any area, this is your chance to offer value to others. Let's break down the types of coaching you can offer as a student. There are 3 types of coaching. 1. Private one-on-one coaching. You're offering tailored, personalized sessions. This could range from academic tutoring, fitness coaching, life coaching, or even career advice. The price? Anywhere between $100 to $1,000, depending on your niche and expertise. But here's the problem. Students have limited time, so charging a premium means you'll be working one-on-one, and your availability may fill up fast. To solve this, be clear about your value proposition. If you're a marketing major offering coaching for small businesses, for example, you can charge more for your specialized knowledge. Second, group coaching. This allows you to teach multiple people at once, reducing your time spent per student. The price point? Usually $10, making it more accessible to a larger number of students. You can teach topics like study hacks, productivity tips, or even fitness routines. Group coaching means you'll have a lot more students, but you need to manage the group and create engaging, valuable content for all. Think of it as creating a community. Offer group chats, Q&A sessions, and peer support to keep everyone engaged and learning together. 3. Hybrid model, self-paced course plus coaching. The hybrid model is a self-paced course combined with group coaching or personal coaching. This approach is all about scalability. Your courses are affordable, usually priced between $1 to $10, but students get direct access to you for questions and feedback. But there is a problem. Not everyone is self-disciplined enough for self-paced courses, and you want to ensure students stay engaged. Here is a solution. Include live checking or coaching calls and create a structured community where students can ask questions and interact. That keeps them accountable and involved. Side hustle number 3. The big picture. Why these side hustles work for students. So, why is Discord and online coaching the perfect side hustles for students? It's simple. You already have the skills, whether it's social media, teaching, or personal knowledge, and these platforms give you the flexibility to work around your classes. Plus, these hustles can grow as much as you want, from a few $100s to a full-blown business. What's the first thing you would coach someone on, or what Discord community would you start? Comment below. I want to hear your ideas. If you're looking for a way to turn your passions and knowledge into income, Discord building and online coaching might be your ticket. The best part? You can get started today with just your skills and a little time. So why wait? If you have learned the knowledge in this video, then like the video, subscribe my channel, press bell icon for more tips on turning your side hustle dreams into reality, and take a moment to reflect on the message. What can you start building today? I'll see you in the next video.